Welcome back to Shaving Down Under and an unboxing, and not quite sure where this one's come from, as it's gone through a shipping program, and I'm actually not sure what's in here, but we will quickly find out. Well, that was an easy in. Carefully put that sharp bad boy away. Right. Pack of derbies. Around and around we go. Oh yeah. There we go. Sharp Mantiques. Thank you for shopping. So there's their address there, Etsy shop. Get on board and have a look at their Etsy shop. Thank you. So this one's, obviously you're looking at this and it's going red and black case. I know what's inside of it. You're half right. Some old power blades. But this apparently is also original to this case. So this case was released with the common bar, but it was also released with this handle as well. So it came up on Etsy, someone told me about it, and I thought, I want to get it. I'm going to check this out. Actually, it's quite heavy. It's got some good weight to it. Let's open her up. See inside. There we go, made in the USA. Now we'll have a look at the patent numbers for you. Let's have a look around for cracks. Is that a crack? That looks like a seam. Or is it just I'm seeing things? I think I'm seeing things. So that looks pretty good. So it's interesting, this the end of the handle more than anything. It's a bit like the Lady Gillettes or Decolettes or whatever they were called. But you know what I mean. Oops. Oh, there is a crack. We found one. Now, hard to dodge cracks with these old razors. So these are an interesting razor. In fact, I'll give a shave of this one sometime soon. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Put that back together. And we'll see you soon on another unboxing video. Ciao for now.